Jose pumping the keg. Brandon Dirksmeyer. He's hitting that shit on the ground.
That is a lot of fun. It's all fun. Well, I think we're pumping it too much, man. Alright.
Is that what it is?
Maybe it's not enough.
No, it's because not enough people have been drinking out of it.
Alright.
If you do not stop using hateful language, you cannot worship.
Stop pumping it. Alright. Get this angle. This angle.
Okay.
You gotta get this side, right? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
The dog too, yeah.
Get him, Thor.
Damn.
Now watch out. Thor, get out of here. Suck it up, dude. Suck it up. Suck it up, Brandon. Another 20 seconds. Oh.
Oh, fuck. Seems like a machine.
I know.
How does
Yeah,
that work?
that shit is intense.